Staying in the region, brought away from Niger. In Nigeria, the Court of Appeal has ordered the Delta State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal to revisit the petition filed by the governorship candidate of the Labour Party, Ken Pella. The tribunal had earlier dismissed a petition by Pella and his party challenging the selection of PDP candidate Sheriff Oborevwori. Pella appealed to the Court of Appeal, praying a retrial due to some anomalies witnessed at the lower court. With this judgment, the tribunal is to be reconvened in coming days to hear the Labour Party's petition again. Joining us on the news is Director of Strategy of the Labour Party, Dr. Nnameka Onyeka Oborevwori. Dr. Nnameka, one welcome to you, sir, and thanks for joining us on the news.
Thanks for having me.
Now, what's the Labour Party's reaction to the latest court decision on the situation in Delta State?
It's a good development. The court has always remained the last hope of the masses, and we've always maintained that the court should live up to their responsibility of dispensing justice. You know, as the only hope for Nigerians today is for the judiciary to live up to its of office of dispensing justice free, fair, and credible manner. You know, like everybody is aware, Labour Party actually swept the polls in most part of Nigeria, especially on February 25th, 2023. It's left for the court to return the mandate of the people and those that they elected to represent them at all the levels and tiers of government.
Now, Dr. Oborevwori is still talking about the courts. What did the Labour Party do differently that allowed the Court of Appeal to approve a retrial of this case due to anomalies witnessed at the lower court? What were some of these anomalies, and what would you do differently at this time to take on the PDP candidate, Sheriff Oborevwori?
Like I always maintain, Labour Party has their cases very watertight. You know, the legal teams that are representing the various candidates of the Labour Party at different levels and the arms of government are very good, very erudite. The judiciary is there. They've done their job, presented their cases, and it's left for the Court of Appeal, of course, had no other choice than to do what is right. Let the trials be conducted in free, fair, and credible manner, and let justice be dispensed and be seen to be dispensed without any fear of evil.
Finally, Doctor, what are the chances? I mean, you've gone back to the books and you've seen things differently. How confident are you in the chances of Mr. Ken Pella emerging victorious in the electoral tribunal and of Sheriff Oborevwori's victory overturned?
I'm very, very confident because we know across Nigeria, Nigerians massively voted for the Labour Party. And like I said, all eyes are on the judiciary, from the local government to the state and to the national level, which is the big one. Nigerians are watching keenly, Nigerians are watching critically, and Nigerians know that the only way this country can be rescued and our democracy interest is for judiciary and the judges to do their job and to do it without fear of evil.
Thank you very much for your time, Dr. Nnameka Oborevwori, Director of Strategy at the Labour Party. It was a pleasure speaking to you on the news. Thank you.
Thank you.